Hello dear friend, welcome to another video. My name is Abdul. Today we are discuss about rewards, how easily claim rewards on Get Data website, complete task, gather credit, win up to 5000 rewards. Now dear friend, I open article and give you more information. If you not make Get Data account, I give you link on description. You go and sign up your account, complete your identity verification and join this rewards hub. Now dear friend, Get Data reward hub now live, complete task to win up to $5000. Get Data rewards hub currently open, loads of bonuses awaits. Visit the landing page, complete task, win reward credits and redeem for prizes. Now dear friend, this is the guidance about this as a rewards hub. You can see and visit the landing page, click the button to claim the task and the data will be counted. Now second, for referral task, user need to click the button on the page and complete the task to win credit. Number 3, after completing the task, click the button to claim the reward credits. Okay. Number 4, users can redeem the credits for rewards. Now for the 5, you can see after redemption the rewards will be credited to user accounts immediately. Click rewards claimed to view the details. Now this is the information about rewards task and challenges task. Now dear friend, we are click on enter now button. You can see this is the button and we are click on this button and see you more information. And you can see this is the information about as a reward sub. As a number 1, you can see redeem and number 2 is check-in. Now dear friend, we are see as a challenges task. You can see this is a 100 credit for first time using simple earning and claim task. Number 2, you can see 100 first using as a bot and 100 first using P2P. You can see this is the information about P2P, how you receive as a 100 credits. And you can see first time spot trading 100 credit and 150 credits as a first time future trading. And you can see 50,000 as a credits, invite friend and enjoy 40% commission. Now dear friend, as a invite a new user to sign up and complete identity verification within 7 days as a 10 credit, and invite as a claim task are counted and spot trading and no less 10,000 as a future trading and no less than $50,000 within 60 days. This is a task. You invite your friend and redeem this card. You can see 1 point VIP 1 and $10 40 shares, 10 as a USDT 100 shares. And you can see credits as a 500 credits, 1000 credit, and this task $100 as a 100 point and 2000 credits. And this task you can see as a $500 and you can see this credit is 10,000 and more task is available. You can see this task is a 2000 point as a dollar and you can see this credit is 40,000 credit. Okay. And this task is $5,000 points and you can see 1 lakh credit. How you get this as a credit, as a more information available on this page. And now dear friend, we are discuss more information. Now dear friend, this is a challenge task and now we are discuss about task bonuses. This is a task bonuses and now we are click on this and you can see this is an information daily spot trading as a 5 credit trading volume $100 and up to 30 credit trading volume $10,000 as a opening coming soon. Now dear friend, this is a future trading as a 5 credit 30 credit and this is a 5 credit startup subscription 15 days as a after claiming this task as a participation. And you can see as a 20 credit simple earn task. This is a $200 for as a 30-day immediately claiming reward. Okay, as a daily reward. And 5 credit dual card buy. Okay, $200 USDT dollar after claiming this task. You as a buy crypto or credit card or use a debit card and then you can claim this card. Now 20 credit bought, basically bought within 3 days after claiming this task, and the duration less than 24 hour, and 20 as a credit. You can see P2P trade no less than $200 as a 5 day after claiming the task. And this is a 5 credit startup mining, participating in startup mining within 15 days after claiming the task to claim 5 credit. Okay, and if 50,000 credit, invite your friend. And this is a card about winning this credit. And now dear friend, this is the information about this. Now dear friend, how you trade? You click on this button as a check-in and trade on this reward, and you can see meet trading volume requirement to check as a 3-day spot trading volume no less than 300, or 3-day future trading volume no less than 5,000 as a dollar. Now 3-day spot trading volume you can see as a 00. You can click on this button and trade on this as a reward hub, and claim your as a task and complete your challenges. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and click the bell notification for more latest videos.